my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out.
But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
The gas in the back of the set, never leave, she's so bad. Can't fade the black, the gas in the back of the set, never leave, she's so bad. Can't fade the black, the gas in the back of the set, never leave, she's so bad. Can't fade the black, the gas in the back of the set, never leave, she's so bad. Can't fade the black.
I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts.
But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
The gas in the back of the set, never leave, she's so bad. Can't fade the black, the gas in the back of the set, never leave, she's so bad. Can't fade the black, the gas in the back of the set, never leave, she's so bad. Can't fade the black, the gas in the back of the set, never leave, she's so bad. How it's supposed to feel.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, put your hand to the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel?